Let's start with the basics. What is a registered agent? Every formal business entity in the U.S., whether it's an LLC, a corporation, or a nonprofit, is legally required to appoint a registered agent in each state where it operates. Think of the registered agent as your business's official point of contact for all legal and government correspondence. This includes crucial documents like service of process, which means if your business is ever sued, the registered agent is the one who officially receives the lawsuit. They also receive state annual report reminders, tax notices, and other important compliance documents. The requirements for a registered agent are clear. They must have a physical street address in the state where your business is registered, and they must be available during normal business hours to accept these official documents. You might be thinking, can't I just be my own registered agent? And yes, you can. However, this comes with a significant set of drawbacks. First, your personal or business address would become public record, visible to anyone searching state business databases. This can lead to unwanted junk mail, solicitors showing up at your door, and a complete lack of privacy. Second, you would need to be physically present at that address during all business hours, meaning no vacations, no off-site meetings, and no unexpected emergencies without risking missing a critical legal notice. And if you operate in multiple states, imagine the logistical nightmare of maintaining a physical presence in each one. This is precisely where professional registered agent services, like Northwest Registered Agent, step in. They essentially act as your designated representative, taking on this critical responsibility so you can focus on what you do best, running your business. But Northwest Registered Agent isn't just any registered agent service. They have a reputation for being a bit different, often highlighted by their privacy by default approach and their emphasis on personalized customer support. So, how does Northwest Registered Agent actually work? Let's break it down step by step. The process often begins when you're forming a new business entity, typically an LLC or a corporation. When you choose to form your entity through Northwest Registered Agent, their service usually includes 1 year of free registered agent service. This is a common entry point for many new entrepreneurs. Step 1. Business formation? Optional, but common. Many clients first encounter Northwest Registered Agent when they're forming their LLC or corporation. Northwest provides comprehensive business formation services. You'll go to their website, select your state, and choose the type of entity you want to form. They'll guide you through the necessary information, such as your desired business name. They'll even check its availability, business purpose, and management structure. What sets them apart here is their attention to detail and their corporate guides. Unlike many other services that rely on automated systems or generic FAQs, Northwest assigns you a dedicated corporate guide. These are real people, often experienced in business formation and compliance, who can answer your specific questions and help you navigate the nuances of your state's requirements. They focus on getting your articles of organization or incorporation filed accurately and efficiently with the state. Step 2. Appointing Northwest as your registered agent as part of the formation process, or if you're just looking to change your existing registered agent, you officially appoint Northwest Registered Agent. This means their physical street address in your state of formation becomes the official address for receiving legal and government mail for your business. This is where their privacy by default really shines. Instead of your home address or private office address being publicly listed, it's Northwest's address. This significantly enhances your personal privacy and helps minimize unwanted solicitations. Step 3. Mail handling and document management. Once Northwest is your registered agent, their local offices in your state will receive any service of process, state notifications, and other official correspondence on behalf of your business. This is where their efficiency comes into play. They don't just passively receive mail, they actively manage it. Same-day scanning. As soon as they receive a document, they typically scan it the very same day. This ensures you get critical information quickly, often within minutes of them receiving it. Secure online account. All scanned documents are then uploaded to your secure online account. You get instant notifications via email, allowing you to access and review your important documents from anywhere, at any time. This eliminates the delays of traditional mail forwarding and provides a centralized, organized hub for your legal and compliance paperwork. Mail forwarding, beyond official documents, beyond strictly legal and government documents. Northwest also offers basic mail forwarding services. They'll often scan a limited number of general business mail items for free, and more extensive mail forwarding services are available as an add-on for a fee. This is particularly useful for remote businesses or those who want a professional business address without the overhead of a physical office. Step 4. Compliance reminders and support. Staying compliant with state requirements is an ongoing challenge for many businesses. Missed annual reports or other filings can lead to penalties, loss of good standing, or even administrative dissolution of your business. Northwest Registered Agent proactively helps you avoid these pitfalls. Annual report reminders. They send timely reminders for your state's annual report filings and other critical deadlines. These reminders are often tailored to your specific state and entity type, ensuring you don't miss anything important. Pre-filled forms. In your online account, you'll often find pre-filled state forms with their registered agent information, making it easier for you to complete and file necessary documents. Corporate guides. This brings us back to their corporate guides. If you have questions about compliance, state requirements, or how to fill out a form, you can simply call or email your corporate guide. They offer lifetime support, providing real answers without reading from a script or transferring you endlessly through departments. This personalized, knowledgeable support is a significant advantage, especially for new business owners who might feel overwhelmed by regulatory requirements. Beyond the core, additional services. While registered agent service is their bread and butter, Northwest Registered Agent has expanded its offerings to provide a more comprehensive suite of business services, allowing you to build out your business identity all in one place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.